Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I know I'm a day late and $1 short, but this is going to be my small scale group build kit right here. Now I announced this some time ago, and I said this was the kit that I was going to do, but I want to jump on board here and do an official announcement. This will be the kit that I'm going to be building, and I'm going to have to start today or tomorrow or something. And I have a busy weekend. We got a show coming up across the state that I'm going to. Go visit some friends that are also in the Michigan modeling community. And, you know, I'm still doing those other builds too. So give me a second here. We're going to open up this box and we're going to take a look inside. Stick around. So it is unsealed. I opened it some time ago. And I believe the bags are open too. So let's take a look inside. Got all the glass pieces here. They'll stay in the bag for right now. I think that's a head or something. And one of the wheels. Yep, they're hard plastic wheels. Fun. Alright, so we have the tank, big old tank. Got some flash, we got to trim off, do some cleanup. That's the tank. We got a multi-piece cab, got to glue the halves together and the roof on top. One of the axles. You got some figures too. This little guy's kneeling down, probably has a hose he's putting in the holding tank. Exhaust stack. I think they're hoses, hose ends. All your other pieces. Here's your other figure. Not really sure I'm going to paint these up. I don't think I could paint a figure that small, but we're going to give it our best go. Part of the truck chassis. Transmission. Yeah, it comes molded in this funky green. It's not quite the Sinclair green. Spare tire rack and tire. Your fifth wheel. Yep. And a bunch of loose parts, which is the engine and transmission half, the other half the engine transmission. I think that's a fuel cell. Front axle to the truck. And more miscellaneous wheels and tires. And here's the front of the cab. So that is 4 pieces you got to glue together. That ought to be interesting. Ought to be interesting indeed. And here's a ladder. So that is pretty much it for that. And of course you have your decal sheet. We won't get into the instructions. Well, maybe we will. This is the decal sheet. And we're going to do the Sinclair version of the truck. And I'm going to figure out the green color. I haven't figured it out yet, but we're going to see. We might have to use some generic green. Put these right here for now. The instructions. Putting the engine and transmission halves together, the head, engine and a chassis, or chassis, or chassis, however you guys want to say it. Putting all the axles together and onto the chassis. And here it shows you how to build the cab. Like I said, that's going to be interesting. 4 pieces, 5 pieces if you want to count the interior tub and floor pans. Oh yeah, should be interesting indeed. Alright, well, that's all I got for this one. So yeah, small scale group build. Small scale for the smallest month. Alright guys, thanks for watching.